Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini Bike Mike's Garage. Well, it is a rainy morning in early March 2026, and I've bought a bike, and I've got about an hour drive to the north side of Indianapolis to pick it up. I was going to hold off and not tell you, but I'll go ahead and tell you what it is. I think it was maybe a year, maybe 2 years ago, I did a video with a guy by the name of Brian York. He has a YouTube channel called YorkyMoto Garage. If you haven't seen it, I'll try and put a link to his channel in the description of this video. But a couple of years ago, there was a bike called the X Pro X25. It's basically a clone of a Honda CL70, is, in my opinion, is what it looks. Some guys say it's a clone of an S90. I think it looks more like a CL70 to me. But there was a company, what was it, Power Sports Plus or something like that online, that was selling them crazy cheap. For like $1,000 delivered, you could, have it dropped off at your house. And so I had posted about that, and Brian actually bought one. And then, I don't know, a week or so later, he invited me down and said, hey, you want to do an unboxing video and an assembly video on this so you can kind of, show the people what it is, And so we did. And like I said, I'll put a link to that video and to his channel in the description. You can go see it if you want to. But I have found one. I've been looking for one ever since then, and I've never found the right deal on one. Well, I have now. Gosh, I'm just going to go ahead and let the cat out of the bag all the way, I guess. So I'm going to call him a kid. He's a young man on the north side of Indy, has this bike, and he's probably had it on Facebook Marketplace for well over a year. And he's had different prices on it, and he's wanted to trade for this and that. And I keep kind of watching it, going back every so often. Well, a week or so ago, he posted it again, and he posted it. He said he just wants it gone. $250. It's got a title, clean title, everything. So I have purchased it, and that's what I'm going to go pick up today on this rainy morning. Hopefully, I'm going to get there about the time the rain has forecasted to quit. So hopefully we don't get too wet. Not sure how much I'm going to film there. I don't know that I don't think he has any idea I have a YouTube channel, so I don't want to just break that out on him. But when I get the bike and get it loaded up, Mama Warner's going to go with me. We'll make a little video and show you guys what we picked up. So I'll see you in just a bit. Well, there it is. She's a little rough around the edges. The tank has dents on both sides up there. The steering stop must be broke. But fairly complete, came with a good clean title. Well guys, it's a couple days down the road from when I picked this bike up. I did not pull a camera out at the spot where I picked it up. It was not really the right situation to do that, so apologize. But I did want to come on today and let you have a look at my $250 purchase. This is an X Pro BD125-2, I think is what it's called. BD125-2, made by the Jing Jang Bingalang Manufacturing, or whatever that says. But I call them a clone of a CL70. Right here's J Bell's bike. About knocked it over. They kind of resemble a CL70. Let me back up here a little bit so you can... Tanks similar, seat, the frame, and the way the rear fender is and so forth. Kind of similar. Anyway, this one, I think from the neck back, is somewhat stock, other than the exhaust that someone has... I don't think that's the original pipe down here that they've cut. But I think the rest of the bike is kind of stock from the tank back. It still has all the emission stuff on it. I don't know if that's the right carburetor, because the carburetor has a petcock on it, and then the tank also has one right there. It's got the 17-inch tire wheel combo on the back like it should. I believe that's the right tail light that came on the bike. I don't think those are the turn signals that came on it, but you know, not a big deal there. I'll be stripping this thing down. You see that my tank's got dents in it. Pretty good sized dents from the steering coming over and hitting it. I do not believe, other than maybe the headlight and turn signals, I don't think anything up here in front is stock. It's got a great big, massive 21-inch front tire with a disc brake, and I do not believe this bike came with a disc brake. I believe it came with a 17-inch tire, just like the back did, and it had a drum brake on the other side. You can tell that they have tried to lower this front end. They've loosened this clamp and the bottom clamp, and they've shoved the forks up as high as they can until they hit the handlebars, basically. Then they've tightened this all down to lower the front end. I think these forks and that tire combo are just way too big for the bike. So they had to do that to kind of, you know, not have it so raked so bad. They took off the original decals, which were clear coated over, and there's a ridge that you can catch with your fingernail from the clear coat on that is so heavy. Now, believe it or not, you can actually get one of those tanks, a replacement tank, off of eBay with no decals or anything on it. And I have done that. I've ordered it. There's a company that sells a replacement tank. And then, as you can see, I don't have a speedometer, and they sell a speedometer. So I've ordered both of those. Now, after I agreed to pay the kid $250 for this, he did tell me, oh, by the way, I do have the speedometer. And he hands me this. And that is the speedometer, I believe, that was off of the bike. I think it had some kind of other housing on it. There's no glass, no needle, no guts. There's nothing in there. No place to hook a cable. But I got a speedometer, but I've ordered a new one off of eBay. So, not sure about the handlebar controls and all that, what's stock and what's been added and so forth. But the engine does run. I did get it to kick over, although that with that exhaust and that Kickstarter, hard to kick it, but I did get it to fire up, and it's a 4-speed manual 125cc engine, which is, you know, the stock one that came on the bike. I think, like I said, this is an X Pro, and it says X Pro on the engine cover. Right there. And I think these were also came under the name, a company called Boom Vader or something like that, produced a version of this and so forth. So anyway, it's just a project for down the road. I'm not going to touch it anytime soon. It's like the second week of March now. What is it? Today's March 9th, Monday, March 9th. And I probably won't touch it until after I get done with the Cannonball and the ride that I'm doing with my son later in the summer. So, but I did want to come on and let you guys have a look. So anyway, there you go. That's my $250 purchase off of Facebook Marketplace. Hey, and it does have, I don't know if you're going to hear this, it's got a nearly full tank of fuel, which, as of today, the price of fuel, that's probably, the contents of that tank are probably worth what I paid for the bike. So, all right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.